Please take a close look at this image to see the Samsung products you can find all around us. Next, take out your mobile phones and find the pre-installed SmartThings app. Samsung has leading smart home technology with many next-level intelligent home appliances. And at the center of it, Samsung has created a powerful smart home platform called SmartThings. We believe that smart lighting is one of the most important devices to completing a smart home, and that many lighting companies and consumers deserve to be able to experience the most sophisticated smart home. That's why we've developed the IoT module. ITM stands for the Internet of Things module. It is the core wireless connectivity module that converts normal luminaires to smart luminaires. Luminaires using ITM can be controlled through the SmartThings app. SmartThings is the most powerful and reliable smart home platform from Samsung Electronics. There are three main smart home platforms: Samsung SmartThings, Amazon Alexa, and Google Home. For SmartThings, users can connect ITM to smart lighting with the SmartThings app and can also control all their Samsung home appliances and smaller smart devices in the SmartThings platform together. Additionally, lots of eco products have been included in the SmartThings world. For Alexa and Google, users can control ITM on smart lighting via their voice. We are planning to have a direct device-to-device or D2D solution connecting ITM to Amazon and Google by Q3 of 2020. Samsung is the #1 company for home appliances and mobile phones. It's easy to find Samsung products everywhere you look. Everyone most likely owns at least a few Samsung products, including Galaxy mobile phones, televisions, refrigerators, and air conditioners. Everyone who owns a Galaxy phone has the SmartThings app already, since it comes pre-installed, and can control all of their Samsung products via the SmartThings app. You'd be surprised to see how a single SmartThings app can do so much for your life. All of the products from Samsung and lots of smart devices from SmartThings eco-partners can be connected to each other through the SmartThings platform. We have many lighting eco-partners such as Osram, Philips, and GE in the SmartThings platform, and you can even find more smart devices from them. SmartThings is the world's most powerful and reliable platform with the greatest number of eco-partners. There are currently 3 leading platforms in the smart home industry. They are SmartThings, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa. SmartThings can connect the worlds of the various platforms. SmartThings is connected to Google and Alexa too, thereby making it the most compatible platform in the market. Please keep in mind that SmartThings is your single app for all devices. We tried to put ourselves in the customer's shoes. There are so many devices that people use, and their phones are full of different apps for different devices. To complicate things more, there are different wireless communications protocols, making it even more difficult to use. Finally, since people use so many wireless devices nowadays, they're concerned about privacy, personal information disclosure, and hacking of their data. This is why customers should use the SmartThings platform and ITM. With SmartThings, a single app works with a wide range of connected Samsung devices and many eco devices. ITM supports dual standard protocols, BLE 5.0 and Zigbee 3.0, allowing it to work either with or without a hub. Also, ITM uses a secure booting system to prevent hacking and uses standard encryption such as AES 128. Devices and users' data are securely managed all the way from hardware to cloud level, so users can feel comfortable with privacy and security. Now let's take a closer look at ITM and SmartThings. SmartThings ecosystem products cover every device you can think and dream of, including lighting, sensors, surveillance cameras, TVs, fridges, washers, and so much more. As an end-to-end smart lighting platform based on the SmartThings app, ITM enables lights to interact with SmartThings ecosystem products. SmartThings brings you a smarter home by controlling all devices collectively. It saves time and makes your everyday life so much more convenient. ITM is a dual wireless protocol connectivity module based on Samsung's IoT chip. The Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE protocol, follows a direct connection via a smartphone. The Zigbee protocol allows a connection with the SmartThings ecosystem via a SmartThings hub. Let's pretend we have two likely user scenarios. In the first scenario, we have one user without a hub, and in the second scenario, a user with a hub. For the user without a hub, they can control a light via a BLE connection from the SmartThings app. For the user with a hub, they may not only control individual lights, but all other devices as well. This would be a true smart home. As a result, it's easy to encourage hubless users to transition to hubs naturally, solely based on the merits of the SmartThings app. The latest trend is leaning towards direct hubless connection. Samsung's ITM has embedded firmware enabling D2D connectivity. Additionally, firmware for direct connections with AI speakers will be made available soon. D2D for AI speaker connections will be available from Q3 of 2020, so users who already use AI speakers can also take advantages of ITM. ITM is a dual wireless protocol connectivity module based on Samsung's IoT chip. The blue line is a BLE connection from phone to lighting. It is available now using a D2D connection between the phone and lighting, and will have D2D between AI speaker and lighting in Q3. For all AI speaker users, ITM will soon be compatible with Google Home and Amazon Alexa to make direct voice control possible. The BLE protocol allows a direct connection via a smartphone for users without hubs. The red line is a Zigbee connection utilizing a SmartThings hub. The Zigbee protocol enables connectivity with the SmartThings ecosystem for users with hubs. Our lives are filled with wireless devices, and there are many concerns regarding privacy and security issues. A recent study shows that 75% of people distrust the way that data is shared, and 63% of people find connected devices creepy. ITM and SmartThings have very strict security standards, including secure boot, enhanced encryption, and secured firmware. They also have customization options, such as setup mode, proximity setup, and a password-protected port. ITM's security level complies with California's CASB 327. Here are some key specifications of Samsung's ITM. 1. It supports dual protocols, namely BLE 5.0 and Zigbee 3.0. 2. It has pre-designed firmware based on SmartThings, so the lighting company doesn't need to develop firmware for lighting control, making this an all-in-one module for making smart lighting. 3. Samsung's ITM connects directly to major IoT platforms, such as SmartThings, Alexa Echo, and Google Home speakers. 4. Over-the-air or OTA functionality can be added due to its powerful memory. 5. It has a very small form factor to enable easier application and allow design freedom for lighting. ITM can be widely applied on downlights, ceiling lights, and even residential deco lights. Thanks to its small form factor, design engineers can easily add it to LED downlight and linear modules. ITM can even be put into small control boxes for tape lights. WWST stands for the Works with SmartThings certification program. All eco-partners must perform a Works with SmartThings certification in order to join the SmartThings platform. ITM can give an extremely low authentication failure probability, as ITM has completed pre-verification of the function and security evaluations with the SmartThings team. The certification process takes about 2 weeks with ITM, whereas the Works with SmartThings certification would normally require over 4 weeks to complete. For your information, Samsung LED provides technical support on how to implement ITM into luminaires and how to acquire Works with SmartThings certification. Thank you.